Hello, my name is Victor Fernandez, and this is my online presentation assignment. Hobbies. My hobbies are weightlifting. I love going to the gym, working out. It's fun. And playing video games. It's a good way to wind down after a long day of work. Some of my accomplishments. I got an award for robotics for coding. Very good at coding. I really enjoy coding for robotics. I find it fun. And playing basketball. I used to play a lot during my middle school and high school. I don't play much anymore, but I did get a lot of medals. What I hope to learn in SLS is what I want to do in the future, how to make achievable goals that I can reach, and how to incorporate what I love into my future career, what I enjoy doing, so that I could do that as a job. And something personal about learning, I find that online learning helps me by being able to do this class whenever I have free time, so I can work most of the days without having to worry about being somewhere. Thank you very much. This has been a presentation. Thank you.